Hello, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today let me take half hour introducing our machine, our factory basic information, and our machines, different type of machine and their functions. This is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, take half hour introducing our machine, our factory basic information, our machine, and their typical, usual, special products. Okay, firstly, let me turn on this machine to showcase how the cam type spring forming, the camless wire rotary spring forming machine running. Okay, let me turn on. Okay, this is 12 axis, presently 12 axis for wire 8 millimeter, 12 axis, cameras with wire rotary 8 millimeter, feeding wire length 2 to 8 millimeter. Let's get it started. Okay, to showing wire rotary with wire rotary. Here's 12 axis. This machine divided into 5 angles, 5 systems as work panel, the shamble, wire decoil, the chassis, and the interface control system. So here's the work panel. The work panel. This is the key site for the forming site. Wire goes feeding wire from the wire decoil goes through the shamble for wire rotary, wire feeding, then to the manger goes to the forming site. This is the work panel. In the same work panel size, we have 4 models available to handling different capability for 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter. This one for 8 millimeter. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, let me show you 10 pages to introducing our factory basic information. This is my contact, and we are spring machine manufacturer. Guangjing spring machine, GSM. Okay, I'm a Baker export sales manager. My WhatsApp, my WeChat here, my WhatsApp, my WeChat, and for more videos introducing our factory basic information, our machines, and the layer capability. For more sampling or mass producing videos to different products, you can visit, study my video bank at youtube.com. Okay, for more sampling videos, for more machine videos, please visit our video bank at YouTube. Here's the site, my video bank. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. And today, presently in South China, the temperature about 20 Celsius degree. Today, generally the 7th, this evening, take half hour introducing our machine. This is my basic information. Okay. The page 2, telling our cameless spring forming machine. 4 models on this paper, 4 models for number 1, number 2. Cameless no wire rotary. And number 3, number 4 with wire rotary. all the samples, all the products, every of them, we can provide you the professional solution. Professional solution for any type of springs while forming products. Okay, here's and the page 3, the can type with wire rotary spring forming machine. Can type wire rotary. Usually as 5 axes or 6 axes as total. Precision, the wire length 0.5 max to 6 hard carbon steel or 8 or 9 iron. If for the max one, once it's added the servo sizer, it can process the iron 8 millimeter. Okay, our machine can process very type of metal wire for round circles or for flat strip of the material aluminum. Mostly the material is steel, carbon steel or stainless steel, as well iron, copper, aluminum, very type of alloy, silver, copper, bronze, aluminum, iron, carbon steel, stainless steel. Okay, mostly goes stainless steel or carbon steel, spring wire for circus wire, for round wire or flat strip. This page telling all the cam type spring forming machine for mostly goes for the extension spring, torsion spring, double torsion spring, and the wire bending, wire forming products. So you can find the very shape of products is all of them, every of them ever made by our clients. We did ever must go sampling for those samples. Okay, this is our ever deals all the products. Okay, for wire, for extension spring, pull spring, double torsion spring, and the wire forming products using to almost every field of industrial, household, and our daily life. For example, as like the torsion spring or double torsion spring using in cars and very type of vehicles or the industrial machinery or outdoor or sports equipment, outdoor training, sports or leisure, outdoor activities. This is the spring coiling machine. We have 2 axes, 4 axes, and 6 axes. For the 2 axes, feeding wire length 0.1 standard model. For standard version for 0.15 max to 1.6 millimeter, and the 4 axes for the wire 0.15 max to 4 millimeter. And we also have the heavy duty for 6 axis 6 millimeter. So here's some of the regular or special samples as like regular compression spring, tower shape, and for the ballpoint pen, for lotion pump trigger sprayer, and the regular column spring, tower conic for the mold. A lot of using field for regular compression spring or special compression spring. Here's the samples. All them, we can provide you the solution. If you have a similar one, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures. And this telling our 4 special function machine. This is our special advantage for special solution, special products, export in a high output rate. This firstly, conveyor belt. For number 2, plastic, a pipe clamp, pipe clip, as late 15 to 20 pieces per minute, while 3 as max, pipe clamp. Number 3, wire straightening machine, wire straightening machine. Number 4, tailed thread insert making machine, tailed thread insert making machine. And this telling our specialty at the conveyor belt chocolate coating wire mesh at value of most usual type or special type for special shape. For the wire from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling chain. For a bread, for the chocolate related heating chain, heating belt goes through the high temperature furnace. Mostly conveyor belt is made of material food grade stainless steel 304 or 316. Conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. This is the sample. Okay, this is the sample. Torch extension spring, pull spring, and the regular also copper flat copper coil, constant force, simple torsion, double torsion spring, constant force spring using in car seat self belt. This one, torsion wire bending products, torsion, double torsion spring, all of them ever made by our machine. We can provide you the professional solution to every of them. If you have the similar products or the same products, you can send me your drawing, engineer drawing, or sample pictures. Then we will select some our machine models for your consideration. Because we are factory and our factory is very close to Canton Fair complex. All my friends, once you attended, you visited Canton Fair, you can spare some time, 1 or 2 hours, 3 hours, come to our factory to bring along with your samples to let's have a deeper and face-to-face business talking, business discussion to talking about our cooperation. We can provide you a professional solution. We are middle-sized CNC automatic spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Our factory to Canton Fair complex, from our factory to Canton Fair complex within 1 hour, just 53 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair complex. As well from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport, almost 80 kilometers within 70 minutes from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. And the wire forming, wire bending products, wire forming, wire bending products. Okay, all land we ever made similar or the same, the very same products from our client that requires. For example, this is my contact. Okay, this is my contact. I'm a Baker Liu. And my contact, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Here's the number. We are factory in Dongguan City, South China. Today, generally the 7th and presently, at present, the temperature about 20 Celsius degree in South China. Okay, this one Camel's wire rotary spring forming machine, 5 main parts. The wire decoil feeding the material. Goes the wire from wire decoil, then move ahead from rear to front. Wire rotary, wire feeding, and the work panel, control system, and the chassis holding the mental parts as transformer, power supply, the servers, and with one industrial air conditioner. So 5 parts consist into a whole set machine: wire decoil, chamber, work panel, interface, control system, and the chassis. So this one running just hold the wire feeding. If open the wire feeding, then wire goes to the forming side. So you can see that during its running, during its mass producing, it's turning self circle, 180 degrees is okay. Once if goes for the running up, for the testing, we can run it as continuous running. But for the mass production, just need semicircle. So this 210 millimeter and the sliding distance almost 20 centimeter. Different tasks have, according to different tasks, we will use different tools, different tasks using different tools, and the larger projects using the longer manger. Okay, and the slide. This product and this program just use 5 handle. This one, and this one at least. So this now running just a showcase a simple product. This is a simple product in the program at showing to you all. Just this one, 6 millimeter carbon steel for tent camp, 4 corner, ground nail, running output by this machine about 10 pieces per minute. So here's the program. The screen can use it, the language: Chinese, English, Spanish, Russian, or Portuguese. Okay, Chinese, English, Spanish, Russian. Mostly Spanish, Russian, Chinese, English. Okay, so and here's the chamber. The chamber consists the wire rotary gear driving wire rotary. Here's a big gear driving the wire rotary, and the gearbox, wire feeding box, 4 pair feeding rods, 7 kilowatts, wire feeding servo motor, 7 kilowatt. Every handle, 4.5 kilowatt. So this is the chamber, and this machine, the net weight of the main machine almost 5 metric tons, and including the wire decoil, the total almost 6.8 metric ton. So this machine for the ocean, for the international trade, for the foreign trade, for the export, should be packed, should be loaded by 40 feet high type container, 40 feet higher container. Okay, this And in the same work panel, we have different size, different capability for 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. This is my contact. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, and next I'll show you close look. Okay, I show you a close look. Here's Camless 12 axis. This chamber consists of two main parts, wire rotary and wire feeding, 4 pair feeding rods, wire rotary and wire feeding. This is the wire rotary gear driving the wire rotary. Here's a big gear. The servo motor for wire rotary, and the servo motor, this servo motor for wire feeding. 4 pair feeding rods, gearbox, feeding box, 7 kilowatt. So this is the heart of the machine, the whole machine, the machine heart, wire feeding box, gearbox. Okay, every of the hand, 4.5 kilowatts, and here's a chassis. At the chassis, the machine's electric parts as transformer, air switch, power supply, servers, cable, and wire, all in that chamber. In the chassis, here's a chassis of the cubic cabinet. Okay, this is the cabinet, and the wire decoil. This machine paired wire decoil, max load 1.2 metric tons. This is the forming site. Different tasks using the different. If the task is a huge one, a large one, we will extend the manger, and we will also add some pad to get it higher. Okay. So meanwhile, I show you. Around our other similar other products, and this is almost completed. For Camless 11 axis 1.6 max 4, and this one Camless under construction, just at the early stage of installing, and this one installing, and this in sampling, this one tomorrow client will at our factory and start the free using training. And this is sampling for the conveyor belt, chocolate coating mesh belt. This one goes for conveyor belt as well. And tomorrow, client will be here starting the free using training. This is our assembly area for the spring forming machine. Okay, once again, we are spring machine manufacturer. This is my contact. You can send me your drawing or sample pictures. Engineer drawing or sample picture. We can provide the custom-made, tailor-made solution for you. Okay, send me if you are interested. If you have a plan for a coming purchase in 2025, add my WhatsApp. Send me your drawing or sample pictures. Or next time when you visit Canton Fair Hall, Canton Fair exhibitions, you can spare 2 or 3 hours come to our factory to have a face-to-face business discussion, to visit our factory, to check, to find the best solution for you. Next time when you visiting the Canton Fair exhibitions, please come to our factory to bring along with your samples. Okay, we can provide the solution for you. Okay, on the table, a lot of samples. I show you some of the typical ones. Firstly, a compression spring. Here's one compression spring. We have, by our machine, we can make this compression spring at rate almost 300 pieces per minute. Here's a compression spring. Every chicken sprayer is like a whole bottle with chicken spray mechanism have compression spring inside for lotion, perfume, shampoo, alcohol for every one similar one with chicken sprayer solution with compression spring inside. And this compression spring, this one using in the umbrella, this umbrella spring compression regular. And this is anti-vibration suspension spring using at this one at mountain bicycles, anti-vibration at front tire, at the rear tire or front tire fork for anti-vibration suspension. Sports bicycle, electric cars, electric bike, sports bike, anti-vibration suspension. And this heavy duty anti-vibration suspension spring using in very type of vehicles and cars for his chassis anti-vibration suspension spring. The regular compression spring. This is the one tight loops between every loops is tighten each other. So this we call it the sleeve spring, using in high temperature or high humidity site to protect the wire's isolation layer. Sleeve spring. This also the sleeve spring, flat strip, stainless steel sleeve spring. So this is the constant force, flat strip, stainless steel, using site as the car seat belt, and the tape measure, mechanical watch, tape measure, constant force spring, spiral spring. Suspension, anti-vibration spring, using in sports high jump matches. My friends, this series of machine is huge in production, leg time, leg teeth for this heavy duty, while rotary spring machine must producing the leg time, leg teeth, while 4 to 8 millimeter leg time, leg teeth in agriculture machinery, such as the harvester, the straw baler, leg time, leg teeth for agriculture machinery, agriculture machinery for leg time, leg teeth, carbon steel 4 to 8 millimeter, mostly 4 to 8 millimeter. The plastic pipe. The plastic pipe. The pipe clamp. We have machine, special machine in mass production line at rate 15 to 20 pieces per minute. This one 156 millimeter. Those pipes are widely used in gas, petroleum, oil, transport, pipe networks in municipal, metro, construction site for the pipe network, also using in agriculture, water, irrigation system, water irrigation networks, pipe clamp. As well, this one special at 2 periods of tight loops, 7 millimeter, carbon steel, very strong, straight in center, a straight line in the center, tight loops, center hook, 7 carbon steel, wire bending products, and this one sticker, juicer, blender, egg blender, a juice blender, the stick. This one food grade stainless steel, 5 millimeter. 4 millimeter spring wire. This compression spring special using at automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. This one. As well, this also using this beverage automatic beverage selling machine. The OD gets larger and larger, and the pitch gets it wider and wider. This using in automatic beverage selling machine. Okay, the final I show you the special act for mass producing the conveyor belt. This the twisted, wire stranded, twisted, wire bending products, and this conveyor belt for wire 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. This is the one 2.5 stainless steel food grade stainless steel 0304 stainless steel food grade stainless steel conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enlobing. I'll show you. Here's the one. Here's the one. 1.5 meter. 2.5 stainless steel. Single hook at both edges. 3-dimension cubic. You can see it's cubic. 3-dimension. 1.5 meter. We can extend it. Here's a complete period. Here's a complete. It can be extended as 3 times or dozens times to extend it as longer to 2 meter, 2.5 meter. Okay. Mostly conveyor belt at wide 80, 90, 80 to 180 centimeter to 1 meter, and the field of length as wide 2 meter or 2.5 meter. This is 1.5 meter, and the material 2.5 stainless steel. This one 2.5 stainless steel 304 60 wide by single piece. Our machine made every of the single piece at taking time, one piece, taking time about 22 seconds. This one, 22 seconds, one piece. Then waved by hand or by simple fixture at very high speed. Stainless steel conveyor belt, okay? This is flexible. So we have the solution, total 6 models of the machine to bending wire from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter at different shape. Single hook or double hook at both ends. This is the one, show you a close look. This is the double hook at both ends. Double hook at both ends. You can see this is a double hook, 1.2 millimeter. Forky stainless steel. One meter. So once again, I show you a close look at some of the machines. This one, Chemnitz 1.6, under construction. For electric system and for this metal, this to be put on the tools. Go sampling next. We are spring machine manufacturer. We get the orders starting installing the machine, then running up and put on the tools, go sampling, sampling completed. We will go with client, be here for a free using training, and the training usually take 3 to 6 days. Free using training. Okay, this is the one, and this is my contact. I'm a Baker Liu, export sales manager. If you're interested, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures. We will select and then provide professional solution for you. This machine in the same work panel, 3 models, similar 3 models available for different capability. This one in running, just stop, just hold the wire feeding. If open the wire feeding, this is now running a simple program for tent, camp, ground nail. You can see at presently it's just running 5 handles, and this handle, and this handle at least. We can provide land tailmate to make it as provide you the Spanish, Russian, Portuguese language interface, language menu for you special. If you do not have the talent, can read English, because mostly this goes in English and Chinese. As well, we provide Spanish, Russian. This is our assembly area because it's almost round to the Chinese New Year. We go get the orders, installing the machine, put on the tools, then go sampling, training. After the training, we're coming next for the dispatch. And this side is for our compression spring machine. We have 4 axes, 2 axes, assembly area. We also have the workshop for metal processing, CNC center, CNC processing center. And this is the Camellis 12 axis, 8 millimeter. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. Our factory is in a close to Canton Fair complex, Canton Fair halls, just 53 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair complex, to Canton Fair halls. As well, our factory within 80 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport, within 70 minutes. Okay, next time, all my friends, next time when you visit Canton Fair related exhibition, you can spare 2 or 3 hours. Come to our factory. Let's get a face-to-face business discussion. You can check every of my machines on the site. You can have an audit on about our factory. We are mid-sized, and our policy is get the order, then make the machine, start the installing. We don't have too much stock. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer, founded in year 2005. Okay, and this machine, this is Camellis no wire rotary, and this one Camellis with wire rotary. This one mostly has 10 or 11 axes, and this one presently 12 axes, and it can up to max 15 axes, max to 15 axes. Okay, this is the one, and this is my contact. I'm an export sales manager. Brother, just hire a translator. Okay, Mr. MHK, are you from Hong Kong? Okay, so every of the samples, all the samples, we can provide you the professional solution. Every samples on the table, the regular one or the special one, at different wire size. We now have and this machine on the side is in, we get a lot of deer, the current. This machine came with wire rotary heavy duty current. Get this machine mostly using for agricultural purpose to mass producing the lake-time, lake-teeth in agriculture machinery as like this, the torsion, lake-time, lake-teeth agriculture machinery for harvester, for straw baler. At different size and different shape, mostly goes carbon steel 4 to 8 millimeter. Carbon lake-time, lake-teeth agriculture. We did a lot of deal to make this machine exported to the country with large grassland, as the country with large grassland, as like Poland, Belarus, Russia, Turkey, South Africa, Brazil, Argentina, Australia, Mexico, with large grassland for the agricultural purpose, lake-time, lake-teeth, harvester, grassland, large grassland for lake-time, lake-teeth. As well as 4 millimeter spring wire, LED lighting hanger, spring wire. This 7 millimeter carbon steel tight loops, period two periods as tight loops and the central straight line, central hook. Hard carbon steel for is using in the heavy duty trucks. Spiral spring. This spiral spring. This spiral spring. Wire bending products.甚至到 2.5 stainless steel, 2.5 stainless steel. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating. Our machine to bending the single unit, single hook at both end or double hook at both end, 3 dimension. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enloving. Stainless steel, foot grade stainless steel 304. Very type of size as this one, 70 centimeter. We can extend it 1.5 meter, 2 meter, 2.5 meter. This 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter stainless steel, 2.5 foot grade stainless steel 304. Stainless steel 304. and this small wire 1.2 forky stainless steel, forky stainless steel, forky stainless steel, double hook at both ends, double hook, okay. This one 1 meter, one piece, take time about 35 seconds. One piece, killing time about 35 seconds. Piece by piece, then weaved by hand or at the aid of single fixture, weaved by hand, piece by piece, then extended meter by meter. We can make this one as longer as 2 meter, 2.5 meter. Okay, if you're interested, okay, my friend, if you're interested, this is my contact. I'm a baker, export sales manager. You can write down my contacts, my WhatsApp, my WeChat from China. This is my mobile, WhatsApp, and the WeChat. Send me your drawing, send me your sample pictures. We can provide the professional solution for you. We can also give you the interface as Spanish Russian. Mostly it goes English and Chinese. We can tailor-made the system in Spanish or in Russian. Okay, thank you, my old friends. See you. Bye-bye.